Sporting events usually grab our attention for on-field activities, goals or points scored, impressive athletic displays, and the emotions of winning and losing. We often see tackles gone wrong or injuries on the field. But do we think about the legal wrongdoings that might apply when things go wrong? On the field, a gifted young player may suffer a career-ending injury, such as Benjamin Collett, a former Man United player in England who received a large payout in 2008 after a bad tackle which broke his leg in 2 places. And what about off the field? When fans are arriving and taking their seats, they're enjoying the game itself and leaving when it's all over. But what if a stray ball hits a fan or a stadium disaster ensues? In 1995, Manchester United football player Eric Cantona kung fu kicked a spectator, shocking the football community. In 1989, a tragic disaster ensued at Hillsborough Football Stadium in Sheffield, England, where many fans were sadly crushed to death. Taking a step back, we can see all kinds of issues concerning the protection of participants and those around them. Before and during any game, health and safety is a major consideration with significant logistical hurdles. Examining these issues in the context of a football game can help us to imagine them in more detail. What about a tackle gone wrong? What if the tackle wasn't an accident and the player deliberately wanted to hurt his rival? What if a doctor treats an injured player but provides poor treatment on the field, prolonging the injury? If a player's leg is broken and he can't play for 6 months, or perhaps ever again, is the doctor financially liable? These situations raise questions about who can sue and be sued, which laws apply, and where a legal dispute will be resolved. It should be remembered that the law can vary depending on the country where the event is taking place and the type of event in question. As we work through these issues in this module, you'll be able to appreciate the big picture concerns surrounding a sporting event, not only the game itself. In this module, we will cover general legal principles and governing laws and identify the situations where non-contractual liabilities can arise, who the defendants and plaintiffs are, and you'll be able to recognize common disputes and minimize exposure to many of the risks mentioned earlier.